If you are a YouTube influencer who is looking to land more brand deals, especially ones that pay, then you'll need an influencer media kit with the right information. So today, I'm sharing what a media kit is and exactly what brands are looking for in your media kit so you can land more brand deals and monetize your influence. Hey, my name is Tiffany Day, and this is Navigating YouTube, a channel made for YouTube influencers to build their audience, influence, and income with ease. If that sounds like something you need, definitely make sure to hit that red subscribe button along with that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. All right, before I tell you exactly what to put into your media kit today, I want to say a big shout out to today's sponsored, Justin over at Creator Wizard. Creator Wizard is an online resource to help you understand the business side of being an influencer. And even better, they have a weekly newsletter which will allow you to see brands that are willing to work with influencers. So if you're ready to work with brands and land those paid brand deals, make sure to sign up for the Creator Wizard newsletter. I'll have the link in the description box along with in the pinned comment down below. So a media kit is basically your influencer resume. Just like if you were to go out and land a job, you want to add the most important aspects of why that company should hire you. And your media kit is no different. But knowing what to add to your media kit can be difficult as these companies don't really care about your high school extracurricular activities. I mean, I was in FBLA and I think that's pretty cool, but no brand really cares. Let me know what after school program you were part of in the comments below. So what brands do care about are the following 5 areas. And the first one is who you are and what your channel is about. This is important because they want to ensure that your personal brand aligns with their company brand and mission. I think influencers often forget this part because they think I'll just work with any brand and they'll love me the way I am. But brands also have an image to uphold, and they want to ensure you're going to uphold that for them. Now, I know you're probably like, Tiffany, just get to the metrics I need to add, and I promise that's coming right after tip number 2, which is your audience demographics. Now, as I mentioned in this video right here, brands use us as a marketing tool to reach their ideal target market, also known as the people who are going to buy their stuff. So it's important that they know that your audience aligns with who they need to buy their stuff. So this can include things like the gender, age, and location of your audience. Now, the moment everyone is here for, and most likely where I'll lose 20% of my audience retention, although you'll also need tip number 5, so don't go anywhere. But that is number 3, which is going to be the metrics you need to add to your media kit. So what a brand wants to know is all the organic information, such as your organic reach, how many average views per video you get, what your average view duration is on YouTube, the total number of subscribers your YouTube channel has, and of course, unique visitors and impressions. This will allow a company to determine what the likely return on investment is going to be. And again, if you don't know what that is, I mentioned it in this video right here. At the end of the day, brands just want to ensure that if they pay you, you're going to be worth it. And these metrics will let them know that. Now, next is previous companies you've worked with. And I know this seems weird, but brands just want to see how well aligned your channel and content strategy is. If you are a craft channel and you work with Target, Michaels, Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, and Joann's, then they're going to see that you are very strategic and that your audience is most likely highly engaged because they know what to expect of you. But on the other hand, if you're a craft channel and things on your media kit are Michaels, Men's Beard Care, Sugar Frenzy, and Toddler Tunes, the brand may deter from working with you as you don't seem to have a clear message or niche. So it's important, no matter how much a brand is willing to pay you, make sure it aligns with your overall goals because it may stop you from landing your dream collaboration later on. Now, the most important thing most influencers forget to add to their media kit, and if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much because you're going to be ahead of everybody else. But you want to make sure you add the deliverable that you are willing to supply when working with a brand. This is definitely something that I made a huge mistake with because I basically let the brands depict what I did, and I hated that. I soon found that my audience did not like fully dedicated review videos, and I didn't like making sponsored Instagram stories. But because the brand decided, I felt forced, and of course that led to lower engagement, which meant a low return on investment for the brand, and then no follow-up work for me, which limits my income. So once I started making brand packages that were customized to give the brand the biggest reach, I knew my audience was going to actually enjoy it, and that I actually liked making it, I started making more money and I had more brands willing to repeat business with me. So if you don't want to make TikTok videos, then don't put that on your list of deliverables you're willing to do. And if you're wondering how to put one together, I use Canva for all of my media kits, and I actually have a template available for $5.99. And this template is taken from my exact media kit I used to land brand deals with Motorola, Party City, Ingenuity, and so many other brands. So I'll have that link in the description box below for you. Now get out there, make some content and that media kit, and let's grow together.